Hey guys, it's InfluGer. Let's get right into it. So today we have a lender by the name of MileStone. Now this credit card is specifically for helping you rebuild your personal credit. Now the good thing about this card is to pre-qualify, there is no hard impact on your credit score whatsoever. But of course, if you do accept the terms and conditions, there will be a hard inquiry. Now, another good thing about this credit card is it is an unsecured credit card. Okay, unsecured. And if you have a low 500, high 600, I do recommend applying for this card. They do report to all credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Okay, this card is accepted wherever Master is accepted, no security deposit. They are starting off at $500, okay? $500. And they do give you a limit increase after 6 months of making your payment on time. And their limit for this card is up to $5,000. So, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.